Good evening and namaste to everyone. Dear students and others, you all are welcome to the live session of the Genius Lakshya. Today we will understand National Commission for Scheduled Caste. What is the objective of National Commission? Why there is a special commission for scheduled caste? And what does it do? So, in the revision session, we will understand the various provisions to protect the rights and privileges of the scheduled caste. We know that our Indian Constitution provides certain protective measures to safeguard the underprivileged people who are politically, economically, socially, and educationally not up to the mark. So we have a provision to protect them. In order to protect them, there is a provision of National Commission. So let's understand the topic in detail. So the topic is National Commission for Scheduled Caste. So let's understand from its inception. The National Commission for Scheduled Caste is a constitutional body. It is a constitutional body in the sense that it is directly established by Article 338 of the Constitution. On the other hand, the other national commissions like National Commissions for Women in 1992, the National Commission for Minorities 1993, the National Human Rights Commission 1993. These are some of the commissions in our country. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights in 2007 are statutory bodies. In the sense that they are established by acts of the parliament. If a body is constituted according to the acts of the parliament, the body is called statutory bodies. And if it has been created by the constitution, then it is a constitutional body. Then we will understand the evolution of the commission, how the commission came into its existence. Originally, Article 338 of the Constitution provided for the appointment of special officer for scheduled castes, SCs and scheduled tribes, STs. The special officer is to investigate all the matters relating to constitutional safeguards of for the SCs and STs and to report to the president on their working. He was designated as the commissioner for SCs and STs and assigned the said duty. In 1978, the government, through a resolution, set up a non-statutory multi-member commission for SCs and STs. The office of the Commissioner of SCs and STs also continued to exist. In 1987, the government, through another resolution, modified the functions of the commission and renamed it as National Commission for SCs and STs. Let the 65th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1990 provided for the establishment of a high-level multi-member National Commission for Scheduled Castes, Scheduled Tribes, in the place of single special officer for SCs and STs. The constitutional body replaced the Commissioner for SCs and STs as well as the commission set up under the resolution of 1987. Again, the 89th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2003 bifurcated the Combined National Commission for SCs and STs into two separate bodies, namely National Commission for Scheduled Caste under Article 338, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes under Article 338A. The separate National Commission for SCs came into existence in 2004. It consists of chairman, a vice chairperson, and three other members. They are appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal. Their condition of service and tenure of office are also determined by the President. Functions of the Commission: to investigate all and to monitor all matters relating to the constitutional and other legal safeguards for SCs and to evaluate their working, to inquire into specific complaints with respect to deprivation of rights and safeguards of SCs, to participate and advise on the planning process of socio-economic development of SCs, to evaluate the process of their development and under the union of a state, to present to the President present to the President annually and at such other times as it may deem fit. reports upon the working of those safeguards. To make recommendations as to the measures that should be taken by union state for the effective implementation of those and other measures for protection, welfare, and socio-economic development of scheduled castes. To discharge such other functions in relation to protection, welfare, and development and advancement of SCs as the President may specify. The report of the Commission. The Commission presents an annual report to the President. It can also submit a report and when it thinks necessary. The President places all such reports before the Parliament along with a memorandum explaining the action taken on the recommendation made by the Commission. The memorandum should also contain the reasons for the non-acceptance of any such recommendations. The President also forwards any report of the Commission pertaining to a state government to the state governor. The governor places it before the state legislature along with the memorandum explaining the commission. The memorandum should also contain the reasons for the non-acceptance of any of the such recommendations. Powers of the commission. The commission is vested with the power to regulate its own procedure. The commission, while investigating any matter or inquiring into any complaints, has all the powers of a civil court trying a suit, and in particular it respects of the following matters: summoning and enforcing the attendance of any person from any part of India and examining him on oath, requiring the discovery and production of any document, receiving evidence on affidavits, requisitioning any public record from any court or any office, issuing summons for the examination of witnesses and documents, any other matters which the President may determine. The central government and the state governments are required to consult the Commission on all major policy matters affecting the scheduled castes. The Commission is also required to discharge similar function with regard to Anglo-Indian community as it does with respect to the scheduled castes. In other words, the Commission has to investigate all matters relating to the constitutional and other legal safeguards for Anglo-Indian community, report to the President upon their working. Till 2018, the Commission was also required to discharge similar functions with regard to the other backward classes OBC. It was relieved from this responsibility by 102nd Amendment Act 2018. So we understood Commission or National Commission for Scheduled Castes and the objective. So if you have any doubt and query, you can write me and my email ID. My email ID is rohitsika@geniusschool.co.in. So this is the end of the presentation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.